Think you need thousands of dollars to start investing? You don't. If you have $100, you are officially ready to begin building wealth. And today I'm walking you step by step through how to start investing with just $100. By the end of this video, you'll know where to put your first $100, which platforms are beginner friendly, what mistakes to avoid, and a simple plan you can follow for life. Ready? Let's get started. Let's break a myth right away. Small money does grow. Your first $100 is not too little. It's the spark that can change everything. Here's why: when you invest, your money begins earning more money, and that new money earns even more. That's called compound interest. Let me show you. If you put in just $100 every month, earn about 8% a year, you could end up with over $150,000 after 30 years. Even if you never invest a big lump sum. That's how everyday Americans build wealth. Not from winning the lottery, but from starting small and staying consistent. Before we invest, we need a basic safety net. Step 1: have a little emergency cash. Even $200 to $500 is enough. Because if your tire blows or your phone breaks, you don't want to take money out of the market. Step 2: check your high-interest debt. If you're paying 25% interest on credit cards, focus on knocking that down first. No investment reliably beats 25%. But if your debt is under control, you are ready to invest that first $100. Now let's open your investing account. Here are the beginner-friendly choices most Americans use. Fidelity, simple, trusted, great index funds. Vanguard, low fees, built for long-term investors. Schwab, easy to use, fractional shares. Robinhood, simple interface, great for beginners. M1 Finance, automatic investing and portfolios. You'll download the app, verify your identity, and connect your bank account. It takes about 5 minutes. And remember, this is a brokerage account, not a casino. You're investing for the long term. With your first $100, avoid these traps. Don't try to pick hot stocks. Don't fall for TikTok or Instagram gambling advice. Don't day trade. Don't bet everything on crypto. Don't expect to get rich overnight. We're building wealth slowly, safely, and smartly. Let's place that money. Your first $100 should almost always go into index funds or ETFs. These funds are baskets of hundreds of companies in one investment. Instead of guessing who wins, you buy the entire market. Here are beginner favorites. VTI, the entire US stock market. VOO or SPY, S&P 500, America's 500 biggest companies. SCHD, dividend-focused fund. Q, tech giants like Apple, Amazon, and Microsoft. And yes, you can buy fractional shares. So you do not need $500 just to own Amazon or Tesla. Why index funds? They lower your risk. They're diversified. Fees are tiny, and historically, they outperform most experts. With one purchase, you own pieces of Apple, Google, Costco, Nike, and hundreds more. Your first $100 is only the beginning. The real magic happens when you repeat it. Inside your brokerage, turn on automatic investing, $25 every week, $50 every paycheck, or $100 every month. This strategy is called dollar cost averaging. Buying a little at a time, whether the market is up or down. It removes emotions, removes decision fatigue, and turns investing into a habit. Once you start investing, keep learning. Quick topics to explore next. What is a Roth IRA? How dividends are paid. How to build a simple portfolio. Why staying invested beats timing the market. Give yourself 10 minutes a day. A podcast, a YouTube lesson, or a book chapter. Education multiplies your returns. Here's the last key. Investing is not a short-term project. When the market drops, don't panic. Every dip in history has been followed by a recovery. And long-term investors always win. Leave your money invested as long as possible. Let time work for you. If you stay patient, stay consistent, and keep adding small amounts, your future self will thank you. And just like that, you just learned how to start investing with $100. You opened your first account, avoided beginner mistakes, bought your first index fund, and set yourself up for long-term growth. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button, drop "I started" in the comments, and I'll reply with your next step. This is the first $100 of your wealth journey, and you're just getting started. See you in the next video.